In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text on Visme. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating a marketing campaign, or just working on a graphic that needs that extra touch, learning to make certain parts of your text bold can significantly enhance readability and emphasize key points. So, let's dive in and walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the text box that you wish to edit. This is your initial step to get going. You might have a specific sentence or a set of words in mind that requires emphasis. Or perhaps you're just experimenting to see how bolding changes the look of your design. Either way, once you've clicked on your text box, you'll have the tools you need to make modifications. Next, let's turn our attention to the toolbar. Depending on whether you're using a desktop or a different version, this toolbar can be located either at the top or on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will find a series of formatting options designed to give you control over the appearance of your text. You'll see a selection of features, but today we're focusing on bolding, represented by the letter B. The bold option is found alongside other text styling tools like I for italicizing or U for underlining. These are universal icons for making text stand out in different ways, and they function pretty similarly to how they might in word processing or design software you might already be familiar with. As you locate the B icon, simply click on it. Once you do, you'll notice that your selected text becomes bold immediately. This change may seem small, but making text bold can effectively draw attention to areas you'd like to highlight, be it a call to action, a key statistic, or a title that needs to stand out on the page. Some additional tips while you're working with text in Visme. Consider consistency and readability. Not all text needs to be bold to be effective. Use bold sparingly to maintain a clean, professional look. Too much stylistic change can lead to cluttered designs that distract rather than engage the viewer. Also, consider the overall color scheme and theme of your design, ensuring that the bold text aligns with the aesthetic and tone you're aiming for. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bold text in Visme. With this, you can now enhance your projects to make important information pop and give your designs that polished touch that makes a difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful the next time you're working on your Visme project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful design tips.